Scared of nothing and I'm scared to death. I can't breathe and I catch my breath. I keep chasing that same old devil down the same old dead-end highway. Ain't no love in Oklahoma, just a whistle of a long black train. You'll know when it's coming for you, riding in on the wind and rain.
Y'all quit playing with Luke Combs, man. That voice, Luke. You are one of the top guys in country music. You know that. The people listening to this reaction know that. We all know that. You didn't need to prove anything, but god dang, when you make music like this, you just, my brain can't take it. Bro, he's so god dang. Ain't no love in Oklahoma, you feel me? You got these twisters coming. You got people chasing these twisters, which absolutely baffles me.